So today I'm bringing y'all this braid out because I tried to do a wash and go, but that just didn't go right. And a couple weeks ago I did a braid out that turned out so bomb. So yeah, last time I started off on freshly washed hair, but today I'll be starting off, like I said, on this failed wash and go. I only laid eyes on you, my world. So last time I did this style, I also did about 4 to 5 braids in each section, but this time I only did 3 just to cut back on the amount of time because doing that many braids honestly takes a long time. So this time, like I said, I only did 3 and I tried my best to split my hair in, exactly 3 parts, but it wasn't really exact, but whatever. So the first thing that I did was obviously split my hair, and then I applied some water and massaged it into the section. Thinking about what I'm gonna say next. Die before I wait. I pray the Lord my soul to I wanna fuck with you. So the first product that I used is by Shea Moisture, and it's the Strengthen and Restore Smoothie. I just grabbed some of that and massaged it into the section, and then after that I used the same line, the Lock and Braid Butter I think it's called, and I just did the exact same thing. And then the last product that I use is just an oil mixture that I made. I think it's avocado oil and olive oil mixed together, and I just applied a little bit of that to the section as well. I didn't want to apply too much product since I did do the wash and go about a day before I had product in my hair already, and then I just combed through the section and braided it up. I was hurt in my past, drowned in the grass, dug in the trash, the fun of the ass. I'm not a bad guy, I know I'm your type. So when I get to the ends, I like to twist instead of braid because I like the little curl that it gives instead of the crinkly look that a braid would give. So I twist it up, add a little bit more product to the ends to make them nice and smooth, and then I just do the same thing throughout the rest of my head. And when I'm done, this is what I'm left with. I started out with 4 sections as I always do whenever I'm styling my hair, and I did 3 braids in each section, so that's 12 braids total. Just keep your distance. If I die before I wait, I pray the Lord my soul. So it's now the next morning, and as you can see, I just slept in my little scarf or whatever. So now I'm going to take some of this oil mixture again and just put it on the ends of my braids, and then I'm going to start taking them down. I don't really take them down any sort of way. I'm not really that gentle. As you can see, I just kind of pull the braid apart, take it down as best as I can. So yeah, and then when I'm done, this is what it looks like. So now, as you can see, I'm just separating my hair, and yeah, this is the finished look. The more you separate, the bigger your hair will get. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.